so glad class is over. Ooh, that sounds fun. Yeah, so what are your plans for the weekend? Probably sleep, play video games like I always do. Where is she? Well, I think he's cute. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Finally, there she is. Adea, hurry up. Okay, one sec. Bye. Bye, girl. Hey, what's the rush? We don't have much time. Mom and Dad are gone. Gone? Buckle up so we go. Here, read this. It's from Mom. They haven't come back from the portal yet. Man, I can't believe this. How are we gonna find them? We know nothing. You know nothing. I've been there before. Seriously? Wow, everyone's been except for me? It's fun, but dangerous. So I need you to be always by my side and listen to me. Got it? I will, I promise. Okay, great, because we're here. Hey, what's that stuff back there? Our essentials. Now hurry up, we don't have much time. Daya, come on. I'm coming. Jeez. Leilani, I'm tired. Already? We've been walking for hours. Well, it's a good thing we're here because I'm tired of complaining. Look to your right. That's the portal? Wow, that's so cool. Ooh, I'm so excited. Come on, put your hand in first. Whoa. Isn't it beautiful in here? Yeah, it is. This might freak you out a bit. You can teleport? That's so awesome. In this world, everyone has a power. You will get it too when you need it the most. Are we ever gonna get out of here? Mom! Someone's coming. Hurry up, untie them now. I'm so happy to see you guys. Hurry, grab my hand. Did you really think it would be that easy to escape the great silver shadow? Give me what the mine if she gets it. Head. Leave my sister alone. Quick, he's in a trance. Now, everyone run! Oh, I'm out of shape. We did it! Never go back in there again. Maybe we could. No!